In this segment, we're going to talk about how you can use the colors in your color palette to help select objects in your design. And so just as an example, looking at my screen, I have mostly white shapes. I've got a green shape, and I've got a blue shape, and a red shape. And so, for example, if I click on this shape here, you can see that it has a red fill, and it looks like it has a crystal outline. Versus if I click on this shape, we'll see that it has a white sort of paintbrush fill and then a black embroidery outline. Now, I can change what is selected. So for example, if I wanted to select everything that was white, I could come over the white and right click while over top of the white and say select by fill color, pen color, or any color. So in this case, I want to select everything that's got a white fill only. And see, it selected all of the objects that have a white fill. And if I want, I could change all the objects with white fill to have, let's say, I don't know, this peach colored fill. So I easily changed everything. And I could say, you know what, all those objects that have peach colored fill, I'd like you to have this, I don't know, blue color for your outline, or maybe no color for your outline, which is on the very left hand side of the color palette is the choice for none. So we go ahead and click on that and we get no outline. So I've selected, so if I come over top of, for example, dark blue and right click, I can say select by, and it's fill color or pen color or any color. So any color will pick both objects that are made with fills or pens. So if I want just the ones with the fill, I choose fill color and I'll get this one. Now, I don't believe any of ours have a blue pen color. Let's even just try it. So right click over that blue and say select by pen color, and nothing gets selected. So we know now, for example, let's click on this star shape and let's click on the blue upper left hand quadrant to give it a blue outline. So now we have a shape that has a peach fill and a blue outline. So now you'll see if I right click over top of the blue and say select by, and I choose any color, we'll get both this star with the blue fill, or blue outline I should say, and the lower one with the blue fill in our selections together. And now while I have these selected, I could say, you know what, I think I'd like both of these to have a green fill and just change their fill. And I think I'd like them to both have a red outline, and I want this red outline over here, and come and select it. And so the ability to select your objects is often very important. And yes, you can click on them to select them, but oftentimes we want to select them based upon the color palette. And so that's what this segment was really about. Right click over top of a color in your color palette and choose select by and say fill color, pen color, or any color. And then you will get everything that's in that color will become selected.